Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 15th day of the first lunar month is the Lantern Festival, a traditional Chinese festival. Eating glutinous rice ball is a custom on this day. So today's recipe is black sesame glutinous rice ball. Let's get started. Prepare 120 grams of cooked sesame seeds, 30 grams of lard, 30 grams of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can add more sugar. First, grind the cooked black sesame seeds into powder in a food processor. Mix black sesame powder, sugar, and lard with your hand in a large bowl. Mix well. Shape into small balls. The addition of lard will make them stick together and easy to shape. Make 14 balls. Prepare 200 grams of glutinous rice flour and pour into 100 milliliters of freshly boiled water. Depending on the water absorption of your glutinous rice flour, if you feel that the water is too much, add some glutinous rice flour. Make into a dough. Roll out a long cylinder. Cut into 14 discs. Flatten each one. Take one, make it larger with your hands. Place a sesame ball in the middle. Slowly wrap it inside. Just like this. Remove excess dough. A sesame glutinous rice ball is completed. Do the same for the rest sesame balls. Heat a pot of water, bring to a boil. Add 5 balls or more. Boil until cooked through. When you see the balls floating, they are almost done. Transfer to a bowl. Delicious black sesame glutinous rice balls are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.